G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what we're going to do is just have a quick look at the cartridge replacement and battery replacement at the same time for the Elita Pure benchtop water filter by Alkaviva. Okay, now one of the benefits of this system is that it's just so easy to change the cartridges. Okay, two buttons either side at the top, and we just press those two buttons together and the back comes off. Okay, don't get much easier than that. Back's off, and then we can see in the back here, here is our cartridge, and as you can see, we just pull this lever around to the left, we pull the cartridge down, the cartridge comes out. Simple as that. Cartridge is out, she's all over, and we dispose of that cartridge for that year, and we'll put the new one in. This system has an indicator light on it, in case you use the cartridge up before the 12 months is over, okay? So it's got a couple of batteries in here. So you do need to pull this little side compartment off, pull the batteries out, note which way they come out, and then at the same time you're replacing your cartridge, we want to put two new batteries in. So in with the new batteries, click the little cover back into place. You'll see the light comes on, but up underneath here, we've got this little red button. Now you just got to press that little red button, hold it on for 5 seconds, you'll see the indicator light flash, you know it's reset, and then you can put your new cartridge in, and the indicator light is set to the new cartridge. So we've got the new cartridge, we just sit it there on the cartridge base, get hold of our lever, spin it around to the right, click him into place. It's got the lock logo there, it's locked into place, and that's pretty much it. You've just changed the cartridge, changed the batteries, and you're all ready to go. It really is a good little easy system, okay? Put the compartment back on, push him into place, that's it. Spin him around, turn the tap on, lift the lever up, you get some water going to the filter, and we want to flush the cartridge. I'd flush it for at least 5 minutes, okay? There's no doubt about it. Every new cartridge needs to be flushed. So turn him on and get some water flowing through it. This is only a litre bottle here, but I would definitely be flowing it for at least 5 minutes and getting a good volume of water going through it, and then you'd be good to go. So good luck to you. I hope it works out, and any dramas or if we can help in any way, give us a call. Thanks very much.